An alarming number of complaints are popping up online right now about a popular brand of graham crackers. People say they've changed and they now smell really bad. Consumer reporter John Matarese is looking into this unusual complaint so you don't waste your money.
Most of us grew up with graham crackers. They're a staple of most cupboards, but in recent months, a growing number of consumers have been complaining about one of the most popular brands. Leah Drake, like many of us, has loved graham crackers since she was a little girl, until recently when she bought a box of low-fat Honey Maids. The problem? A strange smell.
We opened them the next night, and just this horrible smell when I opened them, and I got a headache afterward.
Drake says the packaging had a strong chemical odor.
It was like a very strong varnish paint smell.
So she Googled the crackers for complaints and found dozens of postings about a strange odor at forums like consumeraffairs.com.
A few things where people were saying the same thing I had said. Some of the reports were going back to October.
Someone even started a Twitter hashtag, Stinky Crackers. Complaints say the smell appears to come from the plastic wrapping. So we contacted Mondelez, the company that now makes Nabisco crackers. A spokeswoman told us we're aware of some consumer complaints regarding our Honey-Made low-fat graham crackers, and our internal team is currently investigating. She said the formula has not been changed and says the company knows of no health or safety issues. Drake says when she called Nabisco's customer service line, a woman there told her,
just send us the box number and we'll send you a coupon for a free box.
But she says she doesn't want a free box. She just wants answers as to why her favorite crackers now smell so bad. If you find something's changed with any food you've always enjoyed, let the company know. Call them, get on their Facebook page, and post to consumer sites. They might do something about it and you don't waste your money. I'm John Matarese, ABC Action News.